Be blessed by the divine. How does autosuggestion work? Sometimes do you realize you wake up in the morning and throughout the night you have been thinking about a particular action of yours. Let's say you decided that you have to do your exercise every morning and you have been failing every now and then. Then throughout the night you have been thinking about it and you've gone to bed and wake up in the morning, automatically your body takes you to your exercise place or exercise mat and you begin to exercise. This is the power of autosuggestion. You are suggesting to yourself, you are creating a sankalpa, an affirmation. How does it work? Because your brain, your mind is designed by nature to respond to autosuggestion, affirmations and sankalpa. So be careful what you are suggesting to yourself. Whatever you are suggesting to yourself, whatever you are taking as a sankalpa, creating an affirmation in your mind, your brain is designed to make your body move towards that, put actions towards it and achieve it. Not only that, your brain will also start to see patterns of how your affirmation is beginning to manifest in reality, and the belief gets stronger and stronger and stronger. As it starts to see patterns of behaviors, patterns of different incidents, patterns of coincidence that reaffirm to itself that, hey, I took this decision, look, this is what is happening, the belief gets stronger. As the belief gets stronger, the brain will then continue to further its resolutions. And then eventually all your actions are designed to fulfill that thought. Bring to fruition the decision that your will has taken, that has motivated you towards fulfilling that particular desire. This is science. This is neuroscience. I am not a neuroscientist, but I have experienced the power of autosuggestion in my life. So every time I want to achieve something, let us say I want to make videos regularly for myself, and I want to share the joy of what I have experienced in my life to people like you, then I visualize. I take an affirmation. I give myself autosuggestion. When? Well before making these videos. I sit and think about what topics I need to make videos. I take help from my partners. I take help from people who can shoot these videos, who can edit these videos. I plan the whole thing. When? Well before in my hand, I have already started visualizing. And eventually, when the time comes, when the place and the circumstances come together, and it will come together sooner than later, that all these resources, all these people, the entire almighty force conspires with me to fulfill this particular decision of mine, an affirmation of mine. It will fulfill every dream of mine. But therefore remember that you have to seek ideas in your mind that will never cause pain to others or yourself, now or in the future, physically or mentally, and remove the pain of others. Therefore, receive the blessings of others. When other people bless you for the video or any action that you have done, any output that you produce, and that blessing will further the power of your autosuggestion. You will become a tool in the hands of the divine force, and you begin to become full of godliness, full of goodness, because you're allowing goodness to manifest in your actions. You have completely surrendered yourself to that almighty force. It doesn't matter what others think, what others speak, what others do. What you do to remove the pain of others, never causing any pain for others, is the only thing that the almighty force is interested in, because you are a fractional consciousness of the totality. The fraction demands, the totality supplies. Good luck. Be blessed by the divine.